Okay, so I just learned that my video that I did of standard deviation for the last week's lab didn't show the calculator. So I wanted to redo how to use a TI 83 or 84 graphing calculator to calculate the standard deviation. So we'll come over here and I'm going to clear out what's here. What you want to do is go to stat. So click on the stat button. Let's see if I can get this to show. Right, the stat button is right here. So I'll click on stat and then I go to edit. So click on stat and then edit, and it's going to do some lists here. I'm going to enter in some sample numbers. So you push a number, so I'll put 1.2 and then enter, and 1.5 and enter 1.1, 1.2, oops. And we'll try 1.3. So I have 5 numbers in my list. Okay, now I'm ready to go and hit stat again. So I will hit stat one more time. And now I'm going to move over to calc. So I want to do calc. And one variable stats is what you want. So when one variable stats is highlighted, you push enter. And then go ahead and just push enter one more time. And this is the data that will show up for that. So the mean is up at the top, 1.26. And then down at the bottom, there is an SX, which is 0.15165758089. That is the sample standard deviation, which is the standard deviation that we want for this calculation. Right underneath it, if you've taken a statistics class, is sigma. That is the population standard deviation. Don't use the population standard deviation. You want to use the sample standard deviation with an S. You want the number that is bigger, so make sure that you're using the S and not the sigma. So there's no need to calculate everything by hand. You're welcome to use a calculator to do this, and that's just fine with me. If you don't have a graphing calculator, you're welcome to download this program onto your computer. It's called Virtual TI-83 Plus, and if you can't find it easily, send me an email and I will get you a link so that you can download it onto your computer.